Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe. So today I'm gonna talk about some tips and tricks for Holi. So before starting the video, make sure you subscribe my channel, also like, comment and share my video. And let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna talk about hair care.
For hair, mix aloe vera with your hair oil and apply it on your scalp and hair length. Aloe vera protects from damage and hair oil will reduce dryness from color. After applying, just make a bun or a braid. 2 to 3 कोट्स डार्क कलर की नेल पेंट अप्लाई कर लीजिए। अगर आपके नेल्स लॉन्ग है, then apply nail paint underside of your nail area and massage your cuticles with coconut oil or Vaseline. Before playing Holi, use coconut oil. It will help to remove color faster. And apply sunscreen to protect your skin from sun damage. अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइजर यूज कीजिए. You can use aloe vera and coconut oil together as a moisturizer. And then apply sunscreen. First moisturize your lips and wait for 10 minutes. Then apply lipstick. Moisturizer will help to remove color easily and lipstick act as a barrier. The last tip is use soft cotton materials to avoid rash and irritation.
So this video is complete here. I hope you find them useful. Thank you for watching.